guys how to make a pineapple fat burner juice, which is going to help to boost your energy. So what I'm going to be using is 1 scoop of the Happy Way pineapple fat burner. I've got a cup here of frozen pineapple, half a cup of frozen dragon fruit because it's super rich in antioxidants and it's really tasty. I've got a cup of water, but you can also use coconut water for this recipe. I'm going to be using some ice and just a little dash of vanilla. So what I'm going to do is pop it all into my blender and blend it until it's really smooth and creamy.